You can play like you don't know, but I'm the motherfucking truth. Spitting real game and I'm clutching in the booth. We was both on one, now we fucking in the booth. She look me in my eyes, she say, nigga, you the truth. Bad and rude, body, we don't...
Back with another video. Okay, task today is, I've been dealing with this little problem. I didn't think it really too much of it when I seen the drips, but as you can see, we got two little spots back there, and I wonder where the two little spots is coming from. And it is coming from the power steering gearbox. So I gotta change that thing out. Let me get this light. See if I can show y'all this shit. Right there. Motherfucking thing been fucking leaking. So, of course, with me, some people, oh shit. Some people say they rebuild them. Cause I think it's that seal that's leaking. Me, I'm not fucking rebuilding mine. I just put a brand new one on the motherfucker. Just put a brand new one on it. So this is the task at hand today, is getting this motherfucking gearbox on there. And man, getting my power steering back. See if I can, I mean, the power steering, it ain't nothing wrong with it. It's just leaking, but of course it's the seal, so I'm not dealing with that shit. I don't need no leaks. I don't need no leaks on this car. So yeah, I gotta change it. And I think I gotta tighten up my damn oil filter, cause that's back there, it got a little drip too. So I gotta see where the fuck that shit is leaking from. Hopefully it's that filter. Trying to think of what it could be, but I don't know, shit. But I'll figure it out once I get up under there. But yeah, this is the little task today. This is my last little thing before I switch out this carpet, because I gotta switch out the carpet. So I gotta take that seat out, which I gotta that ain't the seat that's going in here anyways. But I'm gonna have to change the carpet, put my carpet in there. Got new seat belts and stuff on the way. Jay changed the seat belts for me, but I got some new seat belt covers for the sides, the ones that go down here. But other than that, I gotta put like some weather stripping on my weather strip on the trunk, and that'll pretty much be it for back there. But other than that, man, just doing my little minor adjustments and all this other shit. This is like the other major thing that I gotta do. But yeah, and also I'll be doing a video probably on the weekend, trying to get this, because I got the AC unit piece in the house and the control. So I'm gonna hook that up, and I could probably see if I can get my air and shit going without the dash. I don't really need the dash, so I just make sure everything working right up under there. But that'll be a video for the weekend, and we can just tune in like that. But yeah, man, it's time to try to get this damn, I know I gotta, let me see. I know I gotta unhook the steering column so that I can pull it back. I gotta take that bolt out. Hold on. Let's see if I can see this. I gotta take that bolt out right there. I got two bolts on the side of the frame that I gotta take out, and then I gotta take that pivot arm off too. So we gotta do a few little things. Oh, and I gotta take the lines off too. So you know, I think that line look like it's leaking too, man. But and we'll figure it out. So shit, let's get to it. Yeah, my bad, YouTube, man. I done got into this shit and fucking just start doing it and not goddamn recording nothing. So basically what you got is you got this, you got that plate down there, and then you got all these screws mounted up to the firewall. So you take all of them damn screws off. If y'all can see them, it's 2, 4, it's 5 screws. So you got 5 screws that's mounted up against the firewall, and then you got 2 nuts, 15 millimeters, that hold the steering wheel column on. And then I'll come up front here. So I got the steering shaft and shit loose, and I come over here, and I was wondering why my fucking socket wouldn't fit on there. And if y'all can see, it's because it is a fucking star head. So pretty much was stripping that motherfucker, but I'm about to see if I can get it out now. See if I can get it out. It's I got a 7/16. Let me show y'all. I got a 7/16, and this is the kind of socket that it is. I don't know why they got this shit on there, but whatever. So I'm about to see if I can get that thing up out of there real quick. And yeah, the damn strong. Would be in a tight ass spot. And that shit tight as hell. Tight as hell, y'all. Hold on for a minute. Boom. That's the kind of socket that it is. Oh, that's the kind of bolt that it is. Fucking, I think it's like a 15 or a 10 point. So lay that to the side. And then I should be able to yank this steering wheel up out of here. Let's see. I'm trying not to fucking. If I can yank that thing up out of here. Okay, so I pretty much yanked it loose. If y'all can see, hold on. It's kind of tight up in there, so you can't really see. But as you can see right there, I yanked it loose, and now the shaft is free. So now I'm gonna take these lines off, take that steering wheel pinion off, or whatever you call it, the pivot arm, and yeah, we can pretty much move accordingly now. So we know that the wheels are straight, so we gotta pretty much mark where the pivoting arm is, so that we don't be turning it and shit, and that we won't have no loose steering wheel or not a straight steering wheel when we driving straight, obviously. But yeah, it's pretty much what I'm dealing with now. Wheels are straight, and now let's get to the taking off the lines, and then we can remove the pivot arm, and then we can take off the box and reassemble everything. Okay, YouTube, so as y'all can see, I got both lines off. So now I can go up underneath. I got the fluid draining. Now I gotta go up underneath and start taking it apart. So shit. I'm trying to think if I should replace that piece again. I don't know. But I think I got an extra. Okay, right there, Adonis. Okay, shut the door. Shut the door. But yeah, I got them pieces disconnected. Now it's time to go up underneath and get to the stuff that really matters. Let's get that box off. Some technical difficulties getting that pivot arm off, so I just disconnected it from the shaft there and then took it off. So now I gotta see if I can get this pivot arm off, because if I can't get it off, then I'm gonna just have to buy one. But of course it's pressed on there, so I'm gonna just see if I can hammer it off. And of course it goes there, so you see the grooves that it sinks down into once the nut tightens up. So it's supposed to seat all the way down there, and then it just seats in there. So we'll see if we can't get it off. Hopefully I didn't. That piece should be good. So we're gonna try to get this pivot arm off, and then we can pretty much move forward in going to the install, and shit, we can move that way. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take that fitting off. I think I'm gonna throw some pipe tape on it. I'm gonna throw some pipe tape on that too, on both of these. But yeah, I got it out, and now it's all a matter of getting this off, and then putting it on, well, putting the other one up, and then putting this on. So once I get this pivot arm off and I get ready to install it, I'll cut y'all back on. Okay, YouTube, so I pretty much got the arm off, cleaned it up, and now we're about to go ahead and install this boy. I'm about to clean up the area a little bit where it mounts to, and then toss that one, and get to putting this other one in. So I've already put the fitting in for the pressure line. Yeah, for the pressure line. And all I gotta do is install this boy, man, and let's get all this shit back to normal. Let's go. Okay, so as y'all seen, run into some technical difficulties. This damn thing is heavy. But I got it up there. I got it bolted up there. And shit. It's time to start putting this shit back. I'm gonna put that pivot arm back down there. But as you can see, where's that light at? I should have washed that motherfucker off, but I dropped it in the damn bucket. But I can clean it up from here. And pretty much I can start. I should have took that plug off. I can start putting everything back together now, because everything is bolted down, and pretty much ready to start assembling this damn thing back. Hopefully I ain't bend them threads on that pressure line. But yeah, man, that thing is in there, and it's time to start putting this shit back together. And then hopefully we don't have no more leaks. So let's go ahead and continue with this. Once I get everything put together, I'll cut y'all back on. Okay, YouTube, so this shit's been a motherfucking task. So of course I had to take the whole steering wheel column out just to take this apart and connect this first, and then come in and connect this. Like, this shit is a woo. Shit has been a motherfucking headache. But yeah, man, I had to take the whole steering wheel column out. I didn't think I was gonna have to, but the way this shit sit at a tilt to get this part in the gearbox, it wasn't no way I was gonna be able to do it. It's like a two-person job for real, unless you just pull the whole steering wheel column. But I'm about to take this apart, put this in on the gearbox first, and then slide the steering wheel column in, and then connect it here and put the bolt back in there. That's gonna be the easiest way. But shit, goddamn, you know what I mean? But man, let's keep on working, man. I'm almost done. I got everything else buttoned up, everything tightened up, back up under the bottom, and it's just a matter of getting this steering wheel column back linked up. So let's go. Okay, YouTube, so as you can see right here, I've got it down in there. And what I didn't realize is that it had like a groove in it, so I probably didn't even have to take it apart, but it had like a flat spot in it. I guess I was missing it. So of course I need to get the rest of that down there cleaned up, and then I can move accordingly. Got the hoses hooked up. Yeah, that thing had a groove in it that I didn't see. And yeah. But I got it down in there, just gotta throw the bolt in there. And then we can hook the rest of the other part of the steering wheel column up. And then we can put some fluid in this thing, and then see if we can't get this thing to steer like it's supposed to. So shit, let's go. Okay, YouTube, I triple checked everything, and I put some power steering fluid in the reservoir, and it's time to start this thing up and see what we got. Make sure it ain't no leaks. Make sure this thing loosen up. You gotta, of course, you gotta work it back and forth to get that fluid down in there in the box. So let's see what we got. I got, hold on for a minute. I think my brake wire ain't hooked up. Hold on for a second. I'll cut y'all back on in a minute. Okay, so I had to hook my brake wire back up. Okay, here we go. Hard as shit. YouTube. I think that's pretty much it. Don't see no leaks or nothing like that. So I'll wait till in the morning or tomorrow when I come home from work, and then I'll check it again I'll put some cardboard up underneath and make sure. Yeah, we pretty much good. Yeah, so we pretty much good on that. And man, that was a task. That was a task there, a major task. So what I'm gonna do, I'll take this cardboard. First, I'm gonna wipe the floor up. That up, and then we're gonna do this right here. Throw that up under there, and we go see where we at tomorrow. And shit, that's the power steering gearbox install. Shit, and I'm out.